There's so much joy in this building, both for the people working here, the people coming in. And I think that is honestly what truly surprised me about this business, because we're in the business of selling pastries, but all the joy that comes with it every day is like amazing. I'm Karen Hansen, and I'm one of the owners of Copenhagen Pastry. The idea for Copenhagen Pastry came about that we went out and had pastries with my now business partner, and he actually did make a trip to Denmark too to try the pastries there. And then when we came back, he says, we can do this. And I wasn't quite sure what he meant, but he meant we could open a pastry shop. I think from day one, I felt that the customers really liked it, because we had a promotion like 3 days before we opened. And the first day people just started coming in. And then what it does, everything have grown really by word of mouth, because it's been wonderful, because they just like, have you been to Copenhagen? Have you been to Copenhagen? And the one thing that's been really surprising is a lot of the children comes in, and that's been a lot of fun. When we first talked about doing the business, I kept saying, we can't find the right ingredients, you can't make it over here. These pastries that we make almost taste better than what I grew up with. We don't overdo it. We don't try to make them bigger, put more stuff in it. We just make them exactly what they need. And like in the chocolate that we make, which has chocolate on top, and they say, what's in it? And I say, it's a little bit of vanilla custard, but just enough to make you happy. The thing about labels is to have different size labels, and I can then go in, do my layout and print the labels out, such as if we have our Christmas cookies, I can print a label for that. And then the water bottles I can print labels for. So it gives me so much versatility that I wouldn't normally have in the business. My name is Karen, and I am my business.